The Chevrolet K5 Blazer Evolution 1969 to 2025. Classic to modern icon is a story that spans more than 5 decades of American automotive history, showcasing how a rugged 4x4 SUV transformed into a cultural legend and eventually evolved into a modern icon. When the K5 Blazer first hit the market in 1969, Chevrolet's vision was clear: to compete directly with the popular Ford Bronco and Jeep CJ models that were dominating the off-road SUV segment. The original Blazer combined the strength of a pickup truck with the versatility of a sport utility vehicle, offering both open-air fun with a removable top and serious off-road capability. Its bold styling, powerful V8 options, and durable 4x4 system made it an instant favorite among outdoor enthusiasts, ranchers, and young drivers who wanted a mix of practicality and adventure. Through the 1970s and 1980s, the Chevrolet K5 Blazer continued to grow in popularity, becoming a true American classic. Its second-generation models introduced a more refined design while keeping the rugged character that fans loved. This was the era when the Blazer really cemented itself as a household name, appearing in movies, TV shows, and even law enforcement fleets across the United States. With each update, Chevrolet focused on improving comfort, safety, and technology while still offering the raw power and off-road durability that defined the Blazer. Many enthusiasts remember the square-body Blazer of the late 1970s and early 1980s as the golden era of the model, with its boxy design, removable hardtop, and legendary small block and big block engine options. By the late 1980s and early 1990s, the SUV market was shifting, and the K5 Blazer was redesigned into a more family-friendly full-size SUV. It still carried the spirit of the original, but Chevrolet began to adapt it for broader consumer needs, offering better interiors, more features, and smoother rides. Eventually, the K5 Blazer name was retired, and the Blazer line went through multiple transformations, but the legacy of the K5 lived on. Collectors and enthusiasts never let the legend fade, with restored and modified K5 Blazers becoming staples at classic car shows and off-road events across the country. Fast forward to the 2000s and 2010s, and nostalgia for the K5 Blazer only grew stronger. The revival of classic SUVs like the Ford Bronco fueled renewed interest in Chevrolet's own iconic SUV. This momentum led to modern reinterpretations of the Blazer nameplate, and by 2025, the Chevrolet K5 Blazer Evolution had come full circle, blending retro-inspired styling cues with advanced technology, modern safety, and efficient yet powerful engines. The 2025 version pays tribute to its rugged roots while meeting the demands of today's drivers who want both heritage and innovation in their vehicles. From its rugged beginnings in 1969 to its reimagined form in 2025, the Chevrolet K5 Blazer has proven itself to be more than just a truck. It is an American cultural icon. Its journey reflects not only the evolution of SUVs but also the story of American automotive passion, resilience, and innovation.